Hi, this is Kelly with Big River Electric, here to tell you about our July welder promo. The Ranger 330 MPX is Lincoln's newest engine drive in their family of smart machines. Smarter, smaller, and quieter than previous designs, with a $1,000 manufacturer's rebate, makes this welder generator combination hard to beat. And now through July 31st, with every purchase of the 330 MPX, Big River Electric is giving away a free Lincoln Welding Gear Kit valued at $357. Your free welding gear kit will include a Lincoln Viking auto darkening helmet, helmet carry bag, welding gloves, TIG gloves, fire retardant, Lincoln do-rag, safety eyeglasses, heavy duty duffel bag, and a fire retardant weld jacket. Please hurry, this is a limited time offer, and thanks for watching again. See you next time on Big River Electric.